the name of the animal in my language first, then I'll make the sound, then after I'll say it in English. This will give everyone the opportunity to try and guess what animal sound I'm making. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Awesome. The first sound is what we call malu. Who would like to try and guess? What animal is it? Anyone? Kangaroo. Well done. Here is the next animal. We call him guinea one. Anyone want to try and guess what animal that was? The emu. Yes. We also call it the fastest takeaway food. Yeah. This next animal is what we call wanji. Let's see who knows what this is. Anybody? The dingo. Well done. The next animal is what we call cubble. Let's see who knows what this is. The snake. Well done. This is my last animal for the day. Let's see who can guess what I am doing. Anybody? The kookaburra, the laughing bird of Australia. Now, before everyone leaves, can everyone please do something with me? Can everyone give me their best kookaburra laugh on the count of 3? All together now, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Well done! Those that don't know how to laugh like a kookaburra, that's okay. I've got something to give you that will help you laugh like a kookaburra. All you have to say is the traditional name, which is Goo Gaga. So can everyone say Goo Gaga? Go. Now you have to say it 5 times, really, really fast, with a high-pitched voice. Are you ready? Okay, go. Well done. That's how we laugh like kookaburras. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed my didgeridoo show. We are called Bimby Doo. You can follow us on our Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. We are from Minjerribah, which is North Stradbroke Island. So if you'd like to see more cultural experience, please come to Minjerribah, North Stradbroke Island. Thank you all. Have a beautiful afternoon.